Welcome back to the Windmill Garden, the little garden in big country, where we grow food, catch water, and raise cattle with a whole lot of love, and love things that some might hate.
Weeds get no respect. We shouldn't just tolerate these weeds, we should love them.
That looks like love to me.
Truth of the matter is, our cows love weeds, and so do I. Forget about fancy grass or alfalfa hay. Bring on the weeds, please. To the cows, it's an all-you-can-eat buffet.
So many different tasty treats here.
And to us ranchers, it's poor man's alfalfa. Weeds like kochia, thistle, mustard, red root amaranth, or pigweed, they're great, packed with protein, especially kochia wheat, 12% protein.
Kochia has been called a problem plant, but honestly it's one of the best tools in a dryland system. It grows where nothing else will. It covers bare ground, it protects soil from sun and wind, and it's great feed. Not just cattle, lots of critters enjoy high-protein kochia.
Looks like everyone loves the kochia.
And high-protein plants like this are good for egg production. Thanks a lot, chickies. That's a fair trade. Weeds are integrating into ecosystems, and maybe it's time we start integrating them into our mindsets and our systems. I think we've forgotten some of the old teachings about weeds. The kingdom of heaven is like a man who sowed good seed, but his enemy sowed weeds into his wheat. When the wheat sprouted, the weeds also appeared. Discernment. You can't always tell good from bad at first glance. Tolerance. Sometimes it's better to let things grow together, sort out later. And justice. Evil will not last forever. Some weeds even bring tools to the job site. Take mustard and pigweed. These weeds have deep taproots that drill into compacted soil. Nature's own jackhammer. Nature has no need for tractors, plows, or discs. She already knows how to break up hard soil. Drill down with roots, cover, then rot into the soil. Beautiful. And over in the garden, I chop and drop. I don't weed out, I mulch in. These plants become green manure and mulch. They feed the soil, shade the surface, and hold in moisture. Plus, it's way cheaper than buying bags of mulch, compost, or wood chips. Plentiful and renewable resources.
Now let's talk about the idea of non-native weeds. Who gets to decide what's native anyway? I mean, people, animals, the wind? It's been moving seeds across continents for thousands and thousands of years. Who's to say what was stuck in Grandma Mammoth's fur when she crossed the Bering Sea land bridge?
Seeds in fur, hooves, digestive tracts, clothing. Prehistoric permaculture, baby. The will to live, thrive, and explore new lands. Turns out people, plants, and fungi aren't that much different. So relax. Don't worry about weeds. That ship sailed long, long ago. Long before we even started calling things non-native. Weeds aren't enemies. They're survivors, responders, soil builders, cow snacks, and mulch. Sure, they're pushy, and they can show up uninvited. But honestly, so did most of us humans. This plant is not trying to ruin your garden. It's just trying to survive. And in the struggle, it's helping your soil, feeding your animals, and teaching us to adapt. Kinda poetic, don't you think?
So the next time you hear someone grumbling about the weeds, just smile and say, I love the weeds. Because if we slow down and listen, even the weeds have something to teach us. Thanks for watching, and drop your favorite weed in the comments. See you next time at the Windmill Garden.